How are you doing, my brother, Mr. Mukoma? Murise, Upenyu, say, Kurise, Muri, Gogo. Like I said, the program is Beat with a Message with your host, Timothy Ngwenya. Welcome to 2026. This is a song, Samasimba by Pastor Ngwenya Toka.
You are everything that I am, the only strength that I boast of. I praise you, and I honor your name. Everything that I am, the only strength that I boast of. I praise you, and I honor your name. Did not take number
Timothy Ngwenya, and the program is Bid with a Message on a Sunday, and I just want to welcome you even right on TikTok. Thank you very much, guys, for joining. And the program is Bid with a Message, and I'm going to surprise right on this amazing Sunday as we venture into this beautiful year, a brilliant year. We're praying for the greatest year ever. I know very well that 2025 has been a different year altogether, but let's pray that this year is going to be the greatest year ever. And that was the song by my pastor Ngwenya. Thank you very much for that powerful song.